All right, let's get started with our 12-9 guided practice. Now remember, we are trying to be precise in our answers. So if we look back, that is calculating accurately, giving clear answers, and using correct units, okay? So we're going to aim for that today. All right, so for my guided practice, I have 3 separate answers, but they're all dealing with the same scenario. So my scenario is that Mary needs a board 4 feet and 8 inches long. She cut a board that is 56 inches long. Okay, so she needs one that is 4 feet 8 inches. Okay, she cut one that is 56 inches. All right, so my first question is, what measurements are given? Are they the same units used for each measurement? Explain. All right, so my measurements given are 4 feet, 8 inches, and 56 inches. All right, and then it wants to know if my units are the same. So, no, the units are not the same. Okay, so then it wants me to explain, which sometimes this can get a little confusing on what exactly are we explaining. So what I'm going to explain is that in the first measurement given, my units are feet and inches. In the second measurement, the units, there's only one. The unit is inches. All right, so that is my explanation. I'm being very precise of what my units are, why they're different. All right, so now on to question number 2. So question 2 says, explain how you can convert one of the measurements so that both use the same units. Okay, so I can convert, remember I can pick whichever I want, but I'm going to say that I can convert 4 feet into inches, then add the remaining 8 inches to my answer. Okay, and then I'm going to actually do that. Okay, so pretty simple, but I'm going to go ahead and use that little equation structure. So 4 feet, 4 feet, feet go on the bottom, inches on top. I have 1 foot. I know that 12 inches go into 1 foot. I can cross out my units. So now I'm going to do 4 times 12, which that is going to give me 48 inches. Okay, but I'm not done there. I'm going to then add 8 inches, which give me 56 inches. Okay, my units are correct all the way throughout. I wanted to get into inches, and I have. Okay, and then my last question is the board Mary cut the right length? Give a clear and appropriate answer. Okay, so with this question, I'm going to start out yes or no. Simple. She needed 56 inches. 4 feet and 8 inches equals 56. So I'm going to say yes. the board is the right length. And then I'm going to go deeper into that. Mary needed 56 inches. She cut 4 feet and 8 inches by converting 4 feet into inches. I know that Mary cut the correct length for the board. All right, so that's it. This one includes a little bit more writing, but we're being very detailed in the answer we're giving. So we're writing out our thoughts. I want to know your thought process through this, okay? So that is it for today. If you have any questions, please email me or we can Zoom, anything, all right? Have a great one.